Hey guys, Dominique here, and as promised, I am here with my thoughts on the new Just Egg. If you saw my last video, you saw that Just Egg sent me their new formula. Thank you once again. Apparently, it's a creamier and fluffier egg, so we're gonna see what they're talking about, okay? So I'm making a basic egg sandwich with cheese and spinach on a Kaiser roll. My grandma used to make it a lot growing up. It's easy and it's just honestly delicious. So if you don't put your egg sandwiches on a Kaiser roll, I suggest you do that. But anyways, when you go in your grocery store and you see the Just Egg here, you will know it's the new formula if you see this little black tag here. Hopefully you can see that. And yeah, so let's see what this Just Egg is talking about, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. I like to start by coating my pan with some butter or oil just so the egg doesn't stick. And then I went ahead and poured my Just Egg into the pan. I just kind of pour until my ancestors tell me to stop. And then I went ahead and seasoned it with some salt and pepper and nutritional yeast. Usually I use black salt and garlic pepper and a few more things, but I was in a rush today, so I kept the seasonings very basic. With Just Egg, you have to do it like scrambled egg. You just kind of move it around a lot. So I just kept scrambling, and I will say that this consistency was creamier. It cooks very quick, but I think Just Egg in general cooks very quick. I had it on medium low, and it was cooking very, very fast. It doesn't burn. The old formula, in my opinion, used to burn very quick, and it doesn't do that because I put a piece of cheese on top and let it sit on low, and it got a little brown, but it didn't burn. Overall, I think the new formula is really, really good. I topped my sandwich with some spinach that I went ahead and sauteed before this video, and then I put my Just Egg with a piece of Violife cheese on top and enjoyed my sandwich. It was delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.